Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dimma here. As you guys saw in the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing something that is quite popular here on YouTube. I've never done it before, and it's basically unboxing PR packages. So let me explain things real quick. I receive more PR than the average Nigerian beauty blogger, lifestyle blogger, more PR than most bloggers in my category. I'll be the first to say that, but then not the way that my Oyibo counterparts do. Does that make any sense? People who live outside of Nigeria, especially in the States and in the UK, receive a lot of PR. And it makes sense because these companies are there, the markets that they are targeting are there, but then there are some brands that ship worldwide, they ship internationally, and they ship to Nigeria. And when that is the case, most times they tend to add me to their PR. Some of you have asked, how do you get PR? Guys, 99.9% of the time, the brands reach out to me, and then whenever they want to send me stuff, they always send it via UPS, DHL, or FedEx. These are the three courier services that I know that they use mostly. Between the Christmas period and now, I've gotten quite a few things that I felt I wanted to show you guys. So I'm going to start with something from Pixi, and it looks like this entire box. There's going to be a giveaway probably attached to this video, so you guys should just wait till the end. One thing that I love about Pixi is just the way they package their PR. It feels like you're opening something that was specially made for you. There's a lot of love and thought I feel goes into it, and it makes me really happy all the time. So I got this from them. It just says Pixi Glow on it. I already beforehand, I kind of cut open most of the cardboard boxes just so that it's easy for me to open things up. So this is what it looks like. So inside here, you get 2 highlighters / bronzers, and then there's one selfie light. So I think that these are the ones that you clip these to your phone and you use them to take selfies, especially in dark places. This one goes from a very dark brown fuchsia on this end, dark brown actually, and then fades to a pink. This one goes from a dark brown on this end and fades to a light gold. I'm not going to be swatching anything. On a normal day, that's not how these type of videos go. Just people unbox things and then show you guys what they have inside boxes, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so the next one that I have, this one is from Sigma. When it comes to Sigma, I always get my packages via FedEx. So my deliveries are always via FedEx, and I'm going to open this one up. Okay, so in here, there is the solid makeup brush cleanser. It looks like this. And this is just for cleaning your brushes, and there's a soap in it. So it makes it really easy for you to just swirl your brush in here and just clean it. So there's a brush set in here. This is the Sigma Premium. So it says that it's the Sigma Premium Kit Professional Brush Collection. So I'm going to open this up real quick. My hand is still hurting a little bit, but not that bad. Okay, so you guys can see brushes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 brushes in here. Okay, so there are some individual brushes in here. There is a big shader brush. This is a large shader, the E16. There is the F40 large contour. I already have this. Do you know the thing is, I actually have most of these brushes already, so I'm probably going to give these away. And there's a large powder brush. This one is the F30. I already have the F30 as well. So I have something from a Nigerian brand. I already tore this open. Like I told you guys, I already opened things so that it's going to be easy for me to read inside. So in here, I have press-on nails. I only wear press-on nails. That is all I do. That's all I have time for. That is all I have the patience for. On my nails right now, these nails are press-ons. So these are from a Nigerian brand. These ones that I have here are from a Nigerian brand called Donna Brows. So these are the Nailed It press-on nails. This is the first design. It looks like this. I never wear them this long, but these are cute. But the good thing about this is that you can always file them down. If you think that they are too long, file them down. The next one is this one here. It looks like this. These are black. Nicest thing about this, in my opinion, is just the fact that these are handmade. So this girl is here in Nigeria and she makes these herself. And this smells so nice. The package smells so nice. She has a very cute note in here. I love these. I love red nails, so I cannot wait to wear these. And she also includes adhesive tabs in here. So if you buy these, you're going to get adhesive tabs. Some of us don't like wearing, actually sometimes I don't wear my nails with glue. Okay, so when I don't want to wear them for too long, I use these nail adhesive tabs. They last you about a week with these. So this smells so nice. I don't know what she put in here, but the whole thing smells really good. The brand is Donna Brows. I'm going to have their name and Instagram handle in the description box. So the next box is, oh my god, the next box is from Huda Beauty. Guys, look how big this box is. When I got this, I was so confused. I was like, what could they have sent me? So there's a lot of like padding in here to protect the things that they put inside. In here, I have like a very big case of the Huda Beauty lip colors, liquid lipsticks, glosses and stuff like that. They sent me these. I have some lashes in here. So some of their lashes. So there are some lip pencils in here. They look like this. There's a powder in here. So this is their Easy Bake Loose Powder, and this one is in the shade Sugar Cookie. It's a white powder. I'm guessing that this is translucent. I've not used any of the Huda Beauty powders before. Okay, so the last thing in here is this. These are the Huda Beauty Power Bullets. I've not opened these before. So let me open them to show you guys what they look like. Okay, so these are the lipsticks up close. These are the Power Bullets. One is a very dark red, one is a very dark purple, and one is a very dark pink. So I'm going to open them up real quick to show you guys. And these have a lot of glitter in them. I don't want to swatch them here. I'm going to swatch them in another video just to show you guys, but it makes sense now that these were launched during the Christmas period, because during that period we tend to get a lot of lip colors with shimmer in them. The red one looks like this. It's called New Year's Eve, so NYE. The next one is Cake Day. It's a very bright pink. And then the last one, the purple one, is After Party, and it's a dark purple. So they look like this. So the next thing that I got is this one. So this is a separate package. The big box came separately. This came separately, and then this one came separately as well. Okay, so these are the matte and metal melted shadows. I've seen a lot of people using this on Instagram, and I've seen a lot of people using this here on YouTube. So they are basically liquid eyeshadows that dry down matte, and some of them have shimmer in them. At first I thought that these were glosses. I've not tried these, and I'm going to try these in an upcoming video because I'm really excited about these. And I've heard that these matte shades, the ones that you get here, that they blend out like powder shadows, which is insane because I don't know any product that works like that right now. So in this end you get the shimmer colors, and if you flip it, matte colors. Okay, so let me tear this out because I want to really understand how this works. Okay, so this is most definitely a waist belt, and I see myself actually rocking this. So take the shadows out, and it's a cute waist belt, waist bag, waist belt. You guys know what I'm talking about. I have 3 things to show you guys, and then that's done. Next is 4 liquid lip colors from a Nigerian brand called HVS Beauty. So they look like this. The colors are just numbered. They don't have actual names. So the very dark purple one is number 1. There's a 13, there's a 6, and there's a 3. I'm going to swatch these real quick. The packaging is very nice. So this is number 1. And the next one is number 13. Looks like this. The next one is number 6, which is like a nude shade. Okay. The last one is number 3. It's actually a dark red looking at it now. So I told you guys that I have 3 more. I lied. I made a mistake. So this next one is from Pixi. I actually have 3 more right now. So before I had 4 more. I got this during the Christmas period, and like I said, Pixi, like, they package their things so nice. Ooh. So this is the famous Pixi Glow Tonic. Can you guys see? I have a bottle of this on my dresser right now. But then they sent a gigantic bottle, and it's so cute. It has my name on it. It says, I don't know if you guys can see, it says Dimma's Glow Tonic. Aww. And then it comes with cotton pads here. You can just take this out of here and place this on your dresser. I'm going to put this away. So this came on its own. So this is from Pixi. This came yesterday. I already like took it out of the cardboard box and I put that aside. So this says Bon Voyage on it. This is basically a travel, what's it called? It's like all those travel like makeup bags. Can you guys see? So it's just filled with products. I also think that it's just really cute, the fact that it comes with a hanger. And I'm looking now, they actually wrote stuff in here. They were like, "Dear Dimma, bon voyage, safe travels. I wish you a rosy journey. Hope..." Where am I going to actually, Pixie? You guys just send this. Everybody is done with the holidays. So I wish you rosy journey and hope your rose-infused favorites will take you on a hydrated journey to your dream. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to travel soon in the name of Jesus. I'm going to carry this with me. This is so cute and so thoughtful. The last things that I have here, they are from Narganics. So I already took them out of the cardboard boxes that they came in, and then I've just put all of them inside bags like this. So the first thing that I have here is like a set, okay? So it just says Narganics handmade in Nigeria. I don't know if you guys can see. So it says Narganics handmade in Nigeria. First thing that I have in here is a set. Okay, so this is hand wash with shea butter. Okay, so this is limited edition. And then the next one is hand lotion with SPF. It looks like this. One thing I love about Narganics is the fact that their packaging is just like excellent. You can gift stuff from this brand to anybody outside of Nigeria with confidence. That's how good their products are. And that's the kind of care they take when it comes to packaging. So I'm going to spray this just a tiny little bit to see. It smells really good, like really, really good. Let me see if the hand lotion smells like that as well, because obviously I'm not going to touch the hand wash. So yeah, the hand lotion smells just like the perfume. I'm not going to use this now. I'm not even going to like start using the hand wash and hand lotion. I'm going to save it for when I get to my new place. So in the second bag, I have 2 jars of my favorite black soap of all time, the Narganics African black soap with rose petals. So it looks like this. I already showed you guys this before in my black soap video. If you've not seen that black soap video, I'm going to have it linked somewhere on the left. And then they sent me stuff from a new range that they have, but they also say that this is limited edition. First of all, with this particular set, can you guys see the packaging? Can you guys see? So I'm going to open this one. This is orange and cinnamon body mousse. It's sealed. So I'm going to open this and take a little bit. Oh my god, fam, guys, see. This thing, like the minute you dip your hand inside, it dissolves. And it smells so good. Like orange and cinnamon is not something that I would ever even think to pair. But then it makes complete sense. The next thing in this range is their orange and cinnamon exfoliating body scrub. I love the way that this one looks. So let me open this. Yep, smells just like orange and cinnamon, and can you guys see? It's very gooey inside. So the last thing in this set is a black soap, and this is the orange and cinnamon artisan black soap. It has something like powdery on top, so I don't want to open this to make a mess. But I'm going to review this. I'm going to use this black soap to shower and tell you guys what I think about it. Okay? So guys, that is everything. This is my very first PR unboxing here on this channel. You guys should let me know if you want me to do more of these. Before I go, I'm going to be giving this away, okay? So this is one of the first ones that I unboxed. So the glow powders with the selfie light. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is just make sure that you're subscribed to me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Guys, this orange and cinnamon thing plus the perfume from Narganics that I just this entire place smells like heaven. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.